Hey there YouTube, it's me GotFish10 here. This is going to be a contest entry for Mr. Mom Tank, so here we go. In here we have two female pregnant balloon mollies, male right over there, 5 Resbor tetras, 6 neon tetras hanging out at the bottom right now, 12 platies, 2 pregnant, probably some more pregnant in here. And those are my fish. It's a total of 26 fish, so yeah. Let's start out with the heating in this tank. So this is just a 50-watt heater. Works like a charm. I just have this little rock set up there. I don't like my fish hiding back there. So yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. I'm thinking about getting another air stone to go in the bottom of that, so that'd look pretty sweet. And then over here I have an artificial plant. These are all artificial plants in here, so I'm hoping to win this contest and get some free plants. So yeah, here I made this rock structure, boiled the rocks, and yeah, I have an air stone probably like this long under there. So it works really well. It keeps airflow in my tank really nice. And then I have this rock here, pretty much just for decoration, but sometimes my fish like to swim around in it or whatever you can do. And then here I have my thermometer. Currently is like 84 because I've recently been treating for ick because I think it was this fish that I bought gave my tank ick, so yeah. Back there I have artificial plant and stuff, but my fish like to hide over there, so if they hide. And ever since I've blocked up here and back there, they never hide and they're always out like this. So yeah, that's pretty sweet. Okay, next is the hood of this tank. We got this for feeding and everything, maintenance really. Then the lighting on this tank it's okay. I mean, it's like, I'm not positive on what it is. I'm pretty sure it's like a 200. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's like 18 inches, so yeah. It gets the job done. That's about it. And those are the bubbles. Sorry about that noise. Back here, we got a filter. It's a 5 to 10 gallon filter. There. It keeps water flow nicely. Like, this is one of my favorite filters. And I have like another 15 gallon with a 30 gallon filter, so that does work too. So in here I just got a cartridge, and that looks really dark on the screen, I don't know why. And then we got this sponge thing. So yeah, this keeps it nice. And then the airflow is actually under there. If you guys can see that up there, like right there. So yeah, as you can see, this tank is clear. So yeah, it's really nice. Probably my favorite tank until I get my next tank. So yeah, keep watching for that video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.